with you.
So glad you came back. Hey, today I'm making a sauce, right? A sauce for hamburgers, cheeseburgers. You can even put on some fries too if you like. It is a mayo, the onion mayo sauce, right? It was introduced, well, I was first introduced to it on the original, well, version 2 of the original Ultimate Cheeseburger from Jack in the Box. Okay? So I'm going to recreate that. I'm going to put bacon on it, so it's going to be a bacon Ultimate Cheeseburger. But I guess it came around with a lot of people. They just wanted just a burger, right? They didn't want like the, onions and all that. But the restaurants, they were smart. They put the onions and seasonings in the sauces. So even though you said no onions, guess what? It was delicious, and you still got onions. It works out. Okay, we're gonna go through this. You're gonna see how I make the sauce. It's real simple. You're gonna see me put the burger together, build a plate. I hope you enjoy this. This is what we're making. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Meat, cheese, cheese, and that's it. This sauce is real rich. It has body, tangy, yet smooth. I know you're gonna enjoy this. Let's go for it. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, this is real simple to make. We're going to need about a quarter cup of mayo, about 3 teaspoons of white vinegar, right? About 1.5 teaspoons of mustard powder. If you don't have mustard powder, you could use your regular yellow mustard. That'll work too. Here we have about 2 teaspoons of sugar, just your basic granulated sugar, okay? And then we have our onion, our granulated onion. So now for here, we have about a teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoons, all that to taste. So we're gonna get this mixed up, and I'll tell you what we're gonna do next. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our spatula, get the mayo out, put it into the little bowl here. Using a spatula because I want to get as much of this out as I can. Right? Then we add our granulated onion, our white vinegar, our mustard powder, our sugar. Now just take a whisk and just mix it all up. Get nice and combined. You want to mix this, about 30 seconds or so. I mean, you're kind of trying to dissolve the sugar, but it's going to mainly dissolve while it's resting. But you just want to get this well incorporated. Okay? Take our tasting chopsticks, give it a little taste. Yep, so far so good. Now we're going to put this in a container. And we're going to put this in the fridge. Very nice. Lid on. Now it goes in the fridge. Now this sauce is going to go into the refrigerator for a minimum of an hour. So make this early if you can, right? Because you want all the flavors to meld together, okay? Right? So minimum an hour. but anything over 2 hours is awesome. Okay. So after this time, after it's been marinated, let me see what time it is. What are we looking at? Yeah. So this is going to be in the refrigerator for me, before I use it. Hey, we made it. Might as well use it, right? So it's going to be about another 4 hours. For me, it's going to be just over 4 hours before I use it. Watch what I do with it. Now let's see what we're going to do with this. Get a load of this. Take our bottom bun. Alright. Put a little Swiss cheese on the bottom. Nice. Meat patty. American cheese. Another meat patty. One more piece of American cheese. We're going to throw some bacon on this bad boy too. Why not? Bacon on here. Alright. Now let's dress the top bun. A little mustard. You know I love mustard. Mustard on there. Ketchup. A little bit of ketchup. Now we're going to add our sauce that we made, that I put in this squeeze bottle. So let's put that on there. Very nice. Get it on there. Yes, sir. Now, just because, I'm going to add some pickles. Just some dill pickles. Maybe one more. Pop the lid on this bad boy. There we go. We'll clean up. Now we got to have fries. Fries on it. There we go. Go. And there we have it. There we have it. We have our onion mayo sauce, right, for hamburgers, cheeseburgers. Hey, you can even dip your fries in if you want to. But you see I made the bacon ultimate cheeseburger here. My mouth is all watering. And if you like this, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hey, join the peanut gallery. Hit that subscribe button. Our arms are open, and we'll leave the light on for you so you can find your way home. You never get lost. Also, if you could share me out, be greatly appreciated. And if we're not connected on Instagram, hey, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira, look for the gray cat, and let's connect. That being said, this Shrashira, I am out, because I'm about to eat.